Hey, you know this? You know where this truck come from, right? It come from Alabama. You know how I know? Man, this truck is amazing. It did have a little bit of damage. Hold on, I gotta get back there. What's it run on, man?
Taco sauce only.
Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new video. And we got a brand new truck here today. We love these Toyota Tacomas so much. We love the Barcelona Red so much that we bought us a brand new truck to work on. This is the 2012 Toyota Tacoma TRD. We don't know because it don't have no badges. This truck doesn't have one single badge on it, but we're so glad we bought it. It's a 2012, it has low miles. And basically, this is gonna be the flip truck. So this truck was gonna be the flip truck. We was gonna buy this truck. We was gonna just fix it right up. And then we was gonna try to sell it so we could buy something else for y'all, because we like to keep the content coming. But somebody, not naming any names, maybe they hit that button just a little bit too much, and maybe they got us a little bit deep in this truck. So now we're gonna have to scrape, and we're gonna have to work, and we're gonna get this thing fixed. We're gonna turn it into an amazing truck. So let's check it out.
The first thing that you notice about this truck when you look at it is these aftermarket smoked headlights. These things are nice. I believe in the LEDs. Do we know?
Yeah, well, I don't know. I don't know what
we know. They got the daytime running lights. You can see them right there.
They look like LED DRLs for sure.
So that's already an automatic upgrade. Coming on back here, you look at these wheels. These are nice aftermarket wheels. And check that out. These are General Grabbers.
God, with raised white letters. You know how long it's been since I seen raised white letters? I think JP, he tried to put raised white letters on our last truck.
Look back in here. We got a block right here, block in the back. This is a 3-inch leveling kit already on it.
Shoot, that thing's nice. Is that from Rough Country? Or is that from Torch? Is that from Motofab? Wonder where that's from.
Who knows? We don't know yet. But check this out.
What's it run on, man?
Taco sauce only. So this thing, I don't know if that's Supreme, I don't know if that's 87, but whatever it is, it runs on it. Taco sauce. Maybe the mild sauce from Taco Bell, we don't know.
No, it's a fireman. Man, this truck is amazing. It did have a little bit of damage. We wish we knew what was going on with it. But this A-pillar right here, just easy. We're gonna fix that right up. No problem, just cosmetics. I mean, you can't beat it. This, the steering knuckle right here is bent a little bit. They had the wheel turn, we couldn't see it in the pictures, but that's no problem. We already got a steering knuckle coming, because first things first, we're getting this sucker on the road. We're gonna take it out, we're gonna climb some banks with it. But all in all, the body is in amazing shape. Other than this right here, we'll fix that up. We will fix that up, stick us a mirror on here. It's gonna be golden. It's gonna be just a flip truck. JP, he said he might have a little bit of trouble trying to match the paint, but you know what? That's his department. We're gonna let him do that. And we're not painting this truck all over because it don't need it. It just needs painted up here, maybe the top a little bit, and maybe on the hood, you know, and the front bumper. Just a little bit of painting. But the truck is in amazing shape. It runs absolutely phenomenal. It's a great truck. We love it. We know y'all love it. It's absolutely amazing. Check it out, man. The truck don't have a bumper. Don't have a bumper reinforcement either. Check this out. We don't know what happened to the bumper. What happened to the reinforcement? Check this dude out. Our first part for our flip truck. Look at this thing, man. She's gonna go right on here. Oop. Look at that. That's our first part on the flip truck. Didn't cost nothing. We had it left over from our last truck. We kind of hoarded up a little bit of these parts for this truck. So we're hoping, I don't know, it's gonna be tight. But we got a real small budget here, maybe 500 bucks. Look at that. That right there is like 125 already saved. You can't beat it. Let's check the inside of this truck out, because one of the reasons that we bought it was because of the inside. You're not gonna believe it. Check it out. One of the reasons why we was looking at this truck on the pictures, it's just super clean inside. Like it's really clean. The seats are really clean. Everything is in really good shape. We may wind up taking the parachute cord off the steering wheel, because I don't know that I like that. But we're going, you know, we've got pretty standard options. I think this might be, it might be like I thought it might be a base model, and it might be a base model, but it does have keyless entry. It's got keyless entry, and that stuff works. But check out the door panels. I mean, check the two-tone door panels with the little red stripe. Oh man, that's just accenting this truck, you know. I mean, it looks really good. We've not even prowled around in it other than the empty shell casings that we found here. But we hadn't prowled around in it. CC, he get in his console. There we go. We got nothing in there. Nothing in there. Let's see if we got any hidden treasure. Oh, looky there. Looky there. I wonder if we got this hey, check it out, dude. It come from Chattanooga, Tennessee. Capital Toyota. How about that's just right down the road? But it come from Birmingham, Alabama. I hope the window sticker's in here. If it is, I'm gonna show it to y'all. I don't know if it is. I'm gonna prowl around here and see. All of these lights, every single one of them, they have upgraded to LEDs. Even these little fellas up on the mirrors. Check it out. I mean, they love their truck. They love their truck. I don't know what happened to it. We poked around in the dash. We found out who owned it. And I hope that they see their truck and they reach back out to us and they say, hey, Orange Wires, this is what happened. I mean, we was going down the road and a turkey flew out and we run over a stop sign. I don't know what happened, you know, but something happened. Something happened to bend that steering knuckle. Those don't just bend, you know. Something happened, and then this A-pillar, I don't know if I think they hit a tree. I don't know. What do you think happened?
I don't know either. Maybe a tree fell on it while they was driving.
Maybe, you know, maybe King Kong thumped it with something. I don't know what happened, but I know that they love this truck. They took really good care of it. It's really super immaculate clean on the inside. It's got no stains on the seats. They wasn't a smoker. At least I don't see anything. I don't see any evidence of anybody smoking in here. And it's just a super nice truck. It's got a backup camera. Check it out. Backup camera in the mirror. Check it out. I mean, this thing it's got it all, man. It's got it all. This truck has got everything. The only thing it needs is a driver. And you know what? With us, it's got one. So we're gonna see what else we got in this thing. What is that? You know what I think it is?
What?
What do you think it is?
Let me look at it. It's a tool.
I think it's one of the tire pressure monitor sensors. You think it is?
I don't know.
Did we have a TV?
It looks like a socket.
It is a socket. Let's fire this dude up. Listen to that sound purr. We got a TPMS light on. We got no airbag lights. We got no check engine lights. Hey, just the other day, didn't we take a bunch of these things out?
Yeah.
That's what that is. That's the TPMS. So we're down one of these for sure. But you know what? That's all right.
Look at these floors, how clean this carpet and this seat right here. This truck was well taken care of, and look, we was digging around, look what we found. This is for the front to go under the headlights.
I know what they are, but what do you call them?
I don't know. I have no idea. Let's check the back out.
I love this little truck. Jack it down there. What's behind it? Is there monsters?
Is it filming?
Yeah.
Oh, let's see what's behind you. Nothing. Little extra space.
There's no secret.
There's no
hidden treasure, nothing. Let's see what's back here. Same.
We got one more compartment to check. That's this bad boy.
Any green
You
French?
might have one under yours.
How about some green French fries? You got any of them?
Sure.
Oh man, our jack's missing. I always hate it when the jack's missing.
Man, they cleaned this truck out.
It's clean. This is a clean truck. This is good. I will let you and JP take care of getting the outside squared away, and I'll go ahead and call dibs on getting this inside cleaned up.
Yeah. Yeah. I don't know if that's fair. I don't know if that's fair trade.
I don't know if this is coming out on the camera, but this is the Extreme Off-Road Edition. Can you see it?
Oh, I do. I see it now, yeah.
It's the Extreme. So see, we got the Extreme Off-Road Edition. Not that, hey, anybody can have a TRD Pro, anybody can have a TRD Off-Road, anybody can have a TRD Sport. But we got Extreme Off-Road, which is to the max.
I mean, yeah. Maybe you can climb a little bit bigger of a mountain.
Oh, we're climbing some banks. That's gonna happen. We're climbing banks too. What kind of football is that?
Tuscaloosa Police.
Tuscaloosa, Alabama. There you go.
All right, guys, so that's basically the walk around of this 2012 red Toyota Tacoma. Let us know in the comments if you think we made a good purchase. This one's gonna be fixed kind of quick. It's gonna be the flip truck. We're gonna try to make a little bit of cash for our next build because we got some big things coming.
Big, real big. Huge.
So drop a like, leave a comment down below. Until next time, we're out.